हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking and public finance. Today topic is scope and function of public finance. In simple layman terms, the public finance is the study of finance related to the government entity. It resolves around the role of government income and expenditure in the economy. Professor Dalton, in his book The Principle of Public Finance, states that public finance is concerned with income and expenditure of public authorities and with the adjustment of one to others. By these definitions, we can understand the public finance deal with income and expenditure of the government entity at any level of be it central, state, local. However, in the modern day context, the public finance has the wide scope. It studies the impact of government policy on the economy. Let us understand the scope of public finance and function of public finance to understand how the public finance impact the economic. Professor Dalton classified the scope and function of public finance into many areas are as follows. Public income. As the name suggests, public income refers to the income of the government. The government earns income in two ways, tax income and non-tax income. The tax income is easy to recognize. It is tax paid by the peoples by the of the country in the form of income tax, sales tax, duties, etc. So on. On other hand, non-tax income include interest incomes from lending money to the other country, rent income from government properties, donations from world organizations. This area study methods of taxations, revenue classifications, method of increasing government revenue and its impact of economy as a whole, etc. Public expenditure. Public expenditure is the money spent by the government entity. Locally, the government is going to spend money on infrastructure, defense, education, healthcare, etc. for the growth and welfare of the country. This area study the objective and classifications of public expenditures, effects of expenditure in different area, effects of public expenditure on various factors such as employment, productions, growth, etc. When public expenditure exceeds the public income, the gap is filled by the borrowing money from the public or from the other currency or world organizations such as World Bank. These broad, broad funds are public debt. These area public finance explain the burden of public debt, why it is necessary and effects on the economy. It is also suggests the method to manage the public debt. Function of public finance. First function of public finance is the allocation of functions. There are two types of goods in an economy, private goods and public goods. Private goods have kind of exclusively to themselves. Only those who pay for these goods can be get the benefit on such. For example, a car. In context of public goods are non-exclusive and non-diverse. Everyone, regardless of paying, not can benefit from the publics from, for example, a road. The allocation of deals with the allocation of such as public goods. The government has to perform various functions such as maintaining law and order, defense against foreign attack, providing health care and education, building infrastructure, etc. The list is endless. The performance of these functions required large-scale infrastructure, and it's important to allocate the infrastructure efficiently. The allocation function study have how to allocate public expenditure most efficiently to reap maximum benefit with available public wealth. Next function is the distribution function. There are large disparities of income and wealth in every country in the world. These income inequalities plague society and increase the crime rate of the country. The distribution function of public finance is to learn these inequalities as much as possible through redistribution of income and wealth. In public finance, primarily these measures are outlined to achieve this target. A tax transfer scheme or using progressive taxation, in simple words, changing higher tax from the rich and giving subsidy to the low income. Progressive tax can be used to finance public service such as affordable housing, health care, etc. A higher tax can be applied to luxury goods or goods that are purchased by the higher income groups, for example, higher taxes on luxury cars. The stabilization function. Every economy goes through period of boom and depression. It is most normal and common business cycles that lead to this scenario. However, these periods cause instability in the economy. The objective of the stabilization function is to el- eliminate or at least reduce these business fluctuations and its impact on the economy. Policies such as deficit budgeting during the time of depressions and surplus budgeting during the time of boom help to achieve the required economic stability. In next lecture, we will discuss about most important concept of public finance. Next topic is market failure. Thank you.